In this video, I'm going to show you how to add anchor links in MailChimp step by step so you can help your readers jump straight to the exact section they want inside your email. This is a super useful trick for newsletters, guides, product updates, and any long email where you want to improve navigation and make your content easier to read. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your MailChimp account using your regular login details. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, so find the campaign you want to edit and click Edit next to it. Now, you'll be taken into the campaign editor. In the content section, click Edit Design to open the MailChimp Email Builder. This is where you'll be making the changes to your email layout and adding the anchor link setup. Next, scroll through your email and go to the section where you want readers to jump. This is your destination point. Click on the text block that contains that section, then highlight the text you want to use as the anchor point. It could be a heading, a section title, or any important part of your email that you want people to reach quickly. Once the text is selected, go to the text editor toolbar and click the anchor icon. A small pop-up window will appear. Here, type in a unique and descriptive anchor name. Try to make it something easy to remember and something that clearly matches the section it points to. After that, click OK to create the anchor. Now that your destination anchor is set, you need to create the clickable text that will send readers there. Scroll to the part of the email where you want people to click, such as a table of contents, a read more link, or a button-style text link. Highlight that text carefully so MailChimp knows what you want to turn into a link. With the text highlighted, click the link icon in the toolbar. It usually looks like a chain. From the link to drop-down menu, select Anchor. Then choose the anchor you created from the Select and Anchor list. This step connects your clickable text to the exact section you marked earlier. Once it looks correct, click Insert. At this point, your anchor link is set up inside the email. To finish, click Save and Close so all of your edits are saved properly. Before sending, it's always a good idea to preview your email and test the anchor link so you can make sure it jumps to the right section the way you want it to. And that's it. You've now added anchor links in MailChimp. This is a simple but powerful way to make your emails more organized, more interactive, and easier for your audience to navigate. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more MailChimp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.